Hi and welcome back to my channel for a very basic and very nice exciting recipe for children from age 6 months up to 1 year or 2 year. This is a very basic recipe of a tapioca. Instead of looking, let's start cooking, and my baby is having it very happily. So let's start cooking. Hello, today I'm going to make a very simple recipe of tapioca pearls. You can see this is a tapioca pearls, often called sago or sagudana. This is very best for children or babies of 6 months up to 1 year, 2 year, and we can also feed this to patients because it's contain a very good fiber and very good carb, and this is very good for health, and it contains a lot of calcium and very good for children health and for bone health. Okay, so we'll take 1 scoop of tapioca pearls. Okay, and we will soak in a water just like this. You have to soak it for about 30 minutes. When you soak it, it will become like this, very soft. Okay, so we will soak it, and this is a very simple recipe. We will add 1 scoop of or half teaspoon of, sorry, well, not 1 scoop, a half teaspoon of brown sugar, or you can add honey as well, but I won't recommend honey for children because we mostly doctor does not recommend honey. When they turn 1 year old, then you can give honey. Before that, you can add a pinch of, or whatever your children like, or if they like a salt, you can add a salt as well, but mostly the children are sweet tooth, so we'll give a small amount of brown sugar in it, and we'll add a little bit of milk, and we'll cook in it. Now I'm going to add just 1 teaspoon of sugar, add a little bit of milk because it's already soaked in water, so don't just put a lot of milk. We'll add just 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk. Okay, and then we'll mix it, and now further we will cook it on a stove. And we will continuously stir it. Okay, we will cook it until it becomes a thick mixture. Okay, we'll cook it until it start boiling and become thick. So keep watching. It's a very simple recipe and a very good superfood for kids and for elderly patients, and even a normal person can eat it as a breakfast because it contains a lot of calcium, which is good for bone health. Will start boiling. It will become colorless. The tapioca pearls will become colorless, and it will become slightly thick. Start boiling. We'll let it cook for at least 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. We'll start boiling, then cook it for 1 minute, or it become a lumpy or thick paste. Now check the texture. It becomes a thick. At this stage, we'll turn off the flame and let it rest for 1 or 2 minutes, or when it become cold or cold enough that our babies or children can eat it. So when it is done at this point, please don't stir it. If you stir it, it will become so runny and watery. although it is thick in this time, if you put a spoon and stirring it continuously, after turning off flame, so it will become watery. So it's a very basic step, okay, that people are doing it very wrong. So I will turn off the flame and let it rest just like the way it is, and to get it in a room temperature, and then I will feed my baby. Okay, so don't just stir a spoon at this stage. You can check its consistency and the way it looks. Now it become cold, and I'll pour it in a steam straight into a bowl. Okay, you can also add apple puree, banana puree, whatever fruit you like. It is very compatible with sagudana or pearl or tapioca pearl. That's how it looks, and it is perfect. Now you can feed your baby with this superfood. I hope you like the video, so please subscribe and also like my other videos. I made a lot of videos for babies' food and stories and some of the superfood and their baby activities. So kindly share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.